Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Sacramento Bee news app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Sacramento Bee News is the official mobile app of the Sacramento Bee newspaper, offering readers the latest local, national, and world news. The app covers breaking news, politics, sports, entertainment, business, and opinion pieces, along with photo galleries and videos. It features customizable alerts so users can stay updated on topics they care about most, as well as an e-edition for those who prefer the traditional newspaper layout. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate its clean interface, organized categories, and timely news updates. The e-edition is praised for being easy to navigate, and push notifications help keep readers in the loop about important stories. Many also like the in-depth local coverage that national outlets might overlook. However, there are some downsides. Much of the premium content is behind a paywall, requiring a subscription for full access. Some users report occasional slow load times, notification glitches, or layout issues on certain devices. Ads may also appear for non-subscribers, which can interrupt the reading experience. In summary, the Sacramento Bee News app may be worth using if you value reliable local journalism and want timely updates directly on your phone. It stands out for its strong regional reporting, customizable alerts, and digital e-edition. However, if you're looking for completely free news or want a faster, more ad-free experience without paying, it might not be the best fit. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.